If you want to work from home doing something creative, not tech heavy and not corporate, this video is for you. Because while everyone is panicking about AI, there are creative work from home jobs that still pays because they require a human. And most people are overlooking them. Hi, if you are new to this channel, welcome. My name is Salua and I've been working remotely for the last 8 years, and I help people build real income without burning out or without chasing trends. In this video, I'm sharing creative home-based jobs you can actually do from home, many of them AI-proof, flexible, and realistic. So let's get into it. The number one I have on my list is travel planner or remote travel agent. If you love planning trips, this is a great option. You create itineraries, book hotels, plan experience, and you earn a commission. Why this still works? AI can suggest destination, but people trust humans when it comes to money, vacation, and fixing problems. Where can you find work? Travel agencies, Facebook groups for travel planners, referrals, and repeat clients. The next one on my list is craft seller. Etsy or Shopify. If you are creative with your hands, this is powerful. You can make jewelry, candle, crochet, home decor, personalized gifts, and so on. So where can you sell your crafts? On Etsy for beginners, and then Shopify if you want to scale. Another option is to sell on Instagram and use Pinterest for traffic. Number 3 on my list is to sell food treats from home based on the Cottage food business. So yes, this is legal. You can legally sell food from home in many places. Food like cookies, brownies, bread, specialty snacks, gluten-free treats, and so on. This usually falls under the Cottage food laws. So important things you need to know. You can sell shelf-stable foods, which means you don't need a commercial kitchen in many cases. You may need a food safety course and proper labeling. Also, always check with your local laws because it might vary from state to state, but this is a real legal business. So why it works? But people love homemade food and AI can bake cookies. Where can you sell this? You can sell this on local Facebook group, Instagram, events, or word of mouth. Number 4 on my list is digital organizers. You organize files, photos, and Drive. This is a real and growing service. You organize people's Google Drive, Dropbox, photos, digital documents, etc. So why is this still human-based? Organization is personal. People want systems that match how they think. And so that's why AI can't replace it. Where can you find work? On Upwork, Facebook entrepreneurs group, and you can directly email small businesses. Next one is inbox manager, email declutter specialist. Yes, this is a thing. This is a niche service people happily pay for. So what will you be doing? You'll be cleaning inboxes, creating folders, you're gonna set rules, you're gonna unsubscribe from junk, and so on. Why this still pays? People hate email clutters and they want someone they trust to fix it. Where can you find work? Virtual assistant job boards like Upwork and Fiverr, LinkedIn, or your own services that you can promote on your website. The next one on my list is online book reviewer or summary creator. If you love reading, this is a hidden opportunity. You can review books, create summaries, write notes for busy people. And why it's not replaced by AI? Because people want opinions, clarity, and perspective that not a robot can do. So where can you start? Website like Medium, Gumroad, Substacks, Amazon Reviewer Program, and more. And by the way, I want to share something here. When I was in Morocco at the beginning of my digital nomad journey, I met a girl from Germany. She was really cool, and that's what she was doing. She would sit on the terrace, I would work on my laptop, and she would read books. And I would ask her, what do you do as a remote job? She said, I read books, and then I send out the summary of the book. And I thought I was so fascinated, and mind you, this was probably 6 years ago, so yeah. All right, the next one on my list is freelance writer or blogger, experience-based. Your life experience is valuable. Topics that do well are lifestyle, travel, wellness, personal growth, money lessons. Why it works? AI doesn't live life humans do. Where can you find gigs? Pro blogger, Upwork, your own blog, or email list. I gotta say, this one is a little bit difficult. It takes time, but honestly, if you have a really interesting life experience or something you want to share, I highly recommend you do it. And actually, it reminds me of my friend. Shout out to Ute. She's German, currently traveling through Australia. I think she's traveling full time while she does woodwork, which I think is so fascinating. And I've told her so many times that she should definitely document her life because I think it's so interesting. All right, the last one on my list is lifestyle consulting or coach. If people already come to you for advice, this is worth exploring. You can help them with organization, life transition, confidence, career change, remote living, and more. Why is this AI proof? Because trust and emotional intelligence can be automated. So how people monetize this? One-on-one sessions, coaching package, group coaching, digital products. A little bit like what I'm doing. So if you want a clear roadmap of remote income options, including jobs, freelancing, and creative online business ideas, I do have a free guide linked below that breaks it all down step by step. It's called the Remote Income Roadmap, and I'm going to leave the link down below. Now it's my turn to ask you, let me know which one of these creative remote jobs I mentioned surprised you the most. And let me know if you want me to do a part 2 of these type of creative jobs. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please share it, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye from Mexico. Bye. Una fini, una fini.